everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you all some of my favorite grocery finds. These are gluten-free, dairy-free and easy swaps that I have found to be the best options available in India. Just to be clear, none of this is sponsored. I have personally researched, tried and tested and tasted all of these products and have loved them. So yeah, let's dive in. First up, we have the Soothies Dark Chocolate. Now this is the 90% dark chocolate and let me tell you, it's amazing. Now I know dark chocolate can be a little too bitter for some and especially 90% is a little lot bitter. But they also have 55%, 70%, 80% of dark chocolate available. So you can check those out. But just remember that the lower the percentage of chocolate, the higher the amount of sugar. So just telling you. But for me, 90% works really well. You know, when they say chocolate is really good for your health, this is the kind of chocolate they're talking about. Not the ones which has 2% chocolate and 98% sugar in it. You know what I mean. I love to have a piece of it in the middle of the day or whenever I feel like having a little something. Next on my list is the -30 mini ice cream sticks. Now I have very recently found about this one and it is just so clean. The ingredient list is just unbelievable. I think it's the cleanest ice cream that I have had, which is packed. Of course, when you make it at home, it's clean, but something that is packed and it has this clean ingredient list, it's unbelievable. It's mind-blowing and I love that. The portion size is quite small, but I kind of prefer it that way. It's a perfect, quick, guilt-free treat. They have about 5 or 6 different flavors in this. I am yet to try all of them, but I can tell you that double chocolate and espresso are simply divine. It's creamy, delicious, made with minimal ingredients, plus it is dairy free, so if you are lactose intolerant, you can have it too. Alright, moving on to my next favorite find. On number 3, we have the BRB potato chips. Now, these have quickly become my favorite go-to snack and these are quite popular now and you hardly find them on Swiggy and Zomato and Zepto. They are mostly out of stock, so whenever I find them, I just stock up. These are so crunchy and flavorful. Let's do the crunch test. So, this is how it looks. I don't know about you, but I'm somebody who likes to munch in the middle of the day or, at around 5 p.m. I just get hungry. And this is something that I really love to have at that time. Especially love their chipotle flavor. And me too. What's great about this chips is that it does not have palm oil. Instead, it has rice bran oil. Plus, they are not fried, they are popped, so it needs a lot less oil. For example, if you compare it to Lay's, for example, the carbs will be the same, but the fat content is going to be a lot less. Moving on to number 4 on my list is the Smart Grain Company brown rice macaroni pasta. I randomly picked it up from Nature's Basket and it turned out to be so good. It's a gluten-free pasta, so it's incredibly easy on my gut. I have a very sensitive gut, so it was very light on my stomach. I suggest you boil it in an open pot instead of a closed pot or a pressure cooker. Now I know a lot of people in India still boil their pasta in pressure cooker. Don't do that with this one. It's gonna stick and get mushy. So just boil it in an open pot for 5 to 7 minutes. And now I know the taste is not gonna be like the traditional pasta that is made with flour, but this has its own very unique texture and flavor. That was it for today, but I definitely have some more grocery finds with me. So if you guys want a part 2 of this video, comment down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.